Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's Crypto Corner. I hope you all had a wonderful week. I hope you had a great year last year. You had a great festive season. You're all back and well and safe. So I'm looking forward to the new year. It has been a wonderful last year. We've had some great setups. We've had some great opportunities to make money, and especially on the crypto market. If you've taken any trades in mid-December and followed some of the analysis that we've made, mid-December, you should have had a festive rally. We were around 20,000 US dollar on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has skyrocketed to all-time highs at about 42,000 currently. Now, what is next for Bitcoin? Now, we'll be looking at that. And it's not just Bitcoin, and most of the cryptocurrencies have been on a bullish run. Now we'll be looking at what to expect in the next coming sessions. All right, so let's get right into it. We will show some of the trade recaps that we've analyzed in the last year and in our last webinar, and that is all played out inch perfect. So let's have a look. And I have been getting a lot of inquiries from a number of you asking, when is Crypto Corner resuming? It has resumed, and it is now going to be every week going forward. Let's start. Before we get started, guys, if you'd like to contact us, go to our channel. If you go to our channel, under the description of any of the videos, you will find our contact details. Our next course is starting on the 8th of February. If you'd like to attend the course, you can book the course on our website. It is a 10-day course. It includes crypto and Forex as well. So if you would like to book the course, you can book it on the website. You will get a full recording of the course. It is a 10-day course. You'll get a full recording of the course. You can start watching it immediately, and then you will still attend the live course on the 8th of February. That means when you attend the course, you've already watched, you already have a view, you can then interact. We spend 10 days together asking questions that you may have missed while you're watching the video. It's a great opportunity. As you've seen, our analysis have been very accurate. We've got a very special method. We use the Elliott Wave theory, obviously, and it is also applicable to the crypto market. It is applicable to the indices market, to the stock market, and it is a very accurate theory. We also have a special indicator that we use in combination with the Elliott Wave theory that tells us the reversal areas and entry areas. So that is how this helps. So our website is Elliott Wave Principle. It's elliottwave-principle.com. You can just click on the link there. It will take you straight to it. And if you'd like to communicate with us, you can use the live chat box on the website right down here at the bottom right-hand corner. The bottom right-hand corner, you can communicate with us on the chat box here. Now, the method of payment listed on the website is only PayPal, but there's an option for a credit card. If you do not have PayPal, you can have a guest checkout with a credit card. And obviously, if you're watching this, you are a crypto fanatic, so you would want to use cryptocurrencies to pay for your course. If you'd like to do that, just make an inquiry here so we can send you the hash to pay for your course. So just inquire here. It is not listed on the website, so just inquire here. We will send you the link where you can make payment using crypto, if that is what is convenient for you. Let's get started with the analysis for this week. I'm not going to go through all the pairs. I'm going to go through the main ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, as well as Ripple, just to show the direction and what we expect the next move to be on the crypto market. All right, so let's get started. Let's go straight into the chart. Let me share my screen here. Looks like I've not been sharing the screen here. You've just been looking at my pretty face. Sorry, guys. So let me just show you again here where to go on the website. If you go to the description of any of the videos, you'll find the link to the website here. All right, let's start. Let's go into the charts. Then when we look at our chart, we're going to look at the forecast on our website. So our members have got all these charts updated, ready to start the new week. So at any given time, our members know what we are focusing on, what our view is in terms of direction of the market. Cryptocurrencies, we'll obviously start with Bitcoin. Let's look at the weekly chart on Bitcoin. Now we have changed our view a bit on Bitcoin. Let's have a look here. And if you look at some of the previous analysis on Bitcoin, especially when we were still around here, not there, this is a weekly chart. Around June when we were here, I was saying you need to accumulate Bitcoin for the long term. You can check out this video. Let me just check. This video, this one premiered in December. Just go through all the crypto videos from around June, and you will see that we've been saying that you need to accumulate cryptocurrencies for the long term, because we could see that the structure was going to make a push to the upside. Initially, when we were here, I was only thinking that we are only going to get to the all-time highs and we're going to reverse. When we got to the all-time highs, there was no indication of a reversal, and this one just kept pushing to the upside. Now the view has changed a bit here. We've updated the structure. Let's have a look at the update and what we see Bitcoin doing in the next coming sessions. So this is how Bitcoin started. We started with a move to the upside, which at the time we thought was only the impulse, and this was going to be the correction, and was going to make a move to the upside and then make a move back before it makes a move to the upside. So what are we saying now? We are saying that this is a move to the upside, and we are looking at this as the wave 1 here, and we're looking at this one as a wave 2, and we'll be looking for this one now to be the lower degree, 1, 2. So that means we are currently in this wave 3 here. That is not complete. The wave 3 in the white degree is not complete as yet. Now, if you look at the primary degree, which is the blue, if you look at the primary blue degree, it has only just started here with the wave 1, wave 2. We are currently on this leg that looks like a wave 3, and that wave 3 is nowhere near complete as yet. Okay, so if you've not taken Bitcoin, because we posted this one just before we closed the break here around 20,000, forecasting 30,000. We've not gone up to 42,000. Our forecast was only up to 30,000, but there was no sign of reversal there. So we're still seeing here continuation to the upside on Bitcoin. Right, so what you want to do here is to wait to trade this wave 4. Right, because this wave, this white degree here is nowhere near complete. Let's have a look here at Bitcoin. I want to show you here on the structure, Bitcoin structure here. Look at that 41,000 on Bitcoin. Even 100,000 is on site here. So those that have been buying Bitcoin from around June, from around the beginning of the year, Bitcoin has gone over 1,000%. It's gone over 1,000%. I want to get this one on the daily. So you can see clearly. So that is the structure. We started with this move here. This one we're now looking at as a correction in the very same degree, 1, 2. Now we're seeing this one as the white degree here, 1, 2. That is the move that we're looking at. And we've got this one here as 1, 2. We are looking for this one to go and make a 3. It is going up in a straight line, guys. And if you look at this here, we've only just started 1, 2. We have not got the pullback in 3 here before the end of the red. So you've got 1, 2 in the green. I hope you can see this clearly. 3 in the green, 4. So you're still going to get a pullback in wave 4, and Bitcoin is still going to push higher. Okay, so if you have not gotten involved in Bitcoin around here, you want to wait for the red degree to make a pullback. So at least then you can trade the 5th wave. Then you can get involved in the 5th wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I'm even out of screen here. That's how impulsive this is. So that 5th wave will be completing the white degree as follows: 1, 2. then the 3 is out of the screen, but it will be at the end of the wave 5 there. So we're still very bullish. Just wait for deeper pullbacks to get involved. Don't buy shallow pullbacks, because that may be the pullback that we're looking at on Bitcoin. Let me show you the rest of the detail on Bitcoin on the website here. So that was the weekly, the 4-hour. It's showing us the detail here as I was showing you on the live chat. That is 1, that is 2, that is 3, that is 4, and we are now looking for this wave 5 to complete. It's not completed yet, still pushing up higher. Where you want to get involved is when we make this pullback in wave 4. Now, this wave 4 may pull back to the 38% or the 61%, but very likely, because it is an impulse, will only pull back to the 38% of this whole wave. So if you see a pullback to about 38%, you need to get involved again on Bitcoin and make a push to the upside. It is not safe to just go and buy now or invest your money right now on Bitcoin. Otherwise, it's going to start correcting and you're not going to know how far it's going to correct. Right, so that is Bitcoin, and that is what we're looking at. Straight line to the upside. Don't get too excited and just go buy. Wait for pullbacks, because you need to know where to put your stop. Okay, so Bitcoin is for the long term. So, and 100,000 is actually inside. We'll show next webinar why we see that 100,000 can also be possible on Bitcoin. Ethereum, similar, has also skyrocketed. If you've only traded Ethereum in December, it has doubled from about, let's see if this, in December we are around 500-600. It has now doubled to about 1,300. So 200% increase in just the last month alone on Ethereum. But where does that come from? What is the structure of Ethereum? Let's have a look at the structure and the daily. Let's look at it on the weekly first so we can see the whole chart. So similar structure to Bitcoin, starts with a move to the upside, corrects in 3 waves, A, B, C. Now, as you can see here, this is the start. This is a start of wave 1. I just want to show that this wave 2 does not touch the start of the wave 1 here. It doesn't touch the start of the wave 1. So we've got that as wave 1. You can verify that this does not touch wave 1. It doesn't. Wave 1, 2. We are on our way to wave 3. Now I'm going to show the detail for this wave 3 in the white. As you can see, we've got a white degree. We still have a long way to go, but you don't just go and buy here because we've got a long way to go. Because what will happen is, what if you start getting a correction here? You don't know how far this is going. We're forecasting, yes, we're looking at the analysis on the price, but what if you're wrong? You don't want to lose your money, okay? So you want to get a pullback so you can have a stop loss. Let's go to the detail of the 4-hour of that last leg on Ethereum. That is the detail. So you're looking at this as a wave 1. This was December. We're expecting this one to push to the upside. Has already doubled. Now we've got 1, we've got 2. Now we're looking for this one to complete the internal of the wave 3 here. Only the wave 3, and then the wave 5. The wave 3 in the yellow degree. Still a long way to go. We still need to get a pullback. So again, we would want this wave 4 to pull back to around the 38% before it pushes to the upside. So if you get a pullback to the 38%, the 38% retracement of the move from 2 to 3, then you can get involved. Otherwise, just watch it go. Do not have FOMO, fear of missing out, and just get involved. You will lose money. Okay, you will lose money if you do that. So you need to be disciplined and wait. That is Ethereum. Litecoin has got a similar structure as well. Let's have a look at Litecoin. So if you look at Litecoin on the daily, similar structure. Wave 1 in the white degree. Wave 1, 2. Again, we are in wave 3 here in the primary degree. This wave 3 is only just getting started. 1, 2. Then we're looking for this one. This breaking above this level means Litecoin still even has an even bigger move to go. As you can see, Ethereum is nowhere close to the all-time highs like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum can still make quite a bit of move to the upside. So there may be an opportunity, instead of trading Bitcoin, you may want to trade Litecoin because it is lagging behind the other cryptocurrencies. So you may want to look at Litecoin. So if you look at Litecoin here on the 4-hour as well, this is Litecoin. Litecoin, we're expecting this one to continue pushing to the upside, only to complete that green degree wave 3. Green degree wave 3 there. Already 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you would only want to trade when you get the 38% retracement on Litecoin off the move from the green 2 to the green 3. Then you can get involved. Even this is also not even safe. 1, 2. Even on the purple degree, if you get a pullback here, it's not safe unless you get an entry at current levels on Litecoin. Then that is okay because then it will be going for that wave 3. So Litecoin, you may get involved at current levels if you get a setup, if you get an indicator. Indicators are obviously still showing us that we are bullish, so we're still going to look at this to continue to the upside. That is Litecoin. Let's have a look at Ripple. Weekly. Let's look at Ripple weekly chart. Ripple, there's also an opportunity on Ripple to make a move to the upside. As you can see, Ripple is only of the 4 major cryptocurrencies. Ripple is the only one that has not rallied, and it is starting now. So there may be an opportunity to start trading Ripple because it's also lagging the other cryptocurrencies. Again, it has made this move, has made this correction the whole of 2019. This was a correction in 2019. This has not taken off, and it may be ready to take off as it is behind the other cryptocurrencies. Let's go through the detail on Ripple. Let's look at the daily. As you can see, Ripple may only just be getting started now, as it has made 1. This one will be 2. If you start getting a trade set up here, Ripple may be going for a move to the upside. Even if it doesn't go to the all-time highs, going to the 50% of this original move would be a big move on Ripple. So there's an opportunity there on Ripple. That's all I want to look at now for the beginning of the year. The rest of the cryptocurrencies we will look in the next week. For now, this should be enough for you to make some money in the week ahead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can get a notification when we upload the video next time. Drop a comment. Your suggestions are always welcome. See you next week. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.